Today we will see how to get ASCII value of character in Python. So getting ASCII value of character in Python. So how to get that we will see. So first we will take one input character. Input using input function. I will give here message enter or this is prompt message to user. Now whatever the input value entered by user, I will get in this char variable. So next I want to convert this whatever character here entered, I want to get its ASCII value. So I will take one variable here, ASCII value is equal to get ASCII value of any character in Python, you have to use ORD function. So I am passing this character here, whatever input character. So now I will print this result using f string. So to use f string, you have to prefix that string with f. Now I will get here output the ASCII value of character, ASCII value of, instead of that I will take here char is, so at runtime this variables will get replaced with value, actual value. So if I run the program, now if I give here capital A, that is its ASCII value is 65. Then I want to check small a, what is ASCII value of small a, that is 97. Okay. And then again I will check for capital Z, so it is 90, and for small z, if I check, it is giving me 122. So in this way you can get ASCII value of character in the Python. So to get ASCII value of character in Python, you have to use this ORD function. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.